3860 Cinnamon Crest. We are rehabbing a property right down the street, just a few houses down. The tenant is home, which seems very nice, and doggy in the backyard. So we have tile at the entry, and then we have carpet. We have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, which is great. The walls, the paint is in good condition. It's what color would that be? It's a flat, it's off-white. Okay. Upgraded light fixtures. Tiles in good condition. And we have tile counters, as you can see. Cabinets are also in good condition. Recessed lights. Probably change those out to not the curly Q light bulbs. Right off of the garage. The paint condition looks good and the tile looks good from what I can see. I think it's just going to take a second to warm up, but I don't know if you can see, but here's the water heater. It has the straps on. I'm not doing inspection, of course, I'm just saying visibly it looks like the straps are present, and it looks to be vented at an almost it's almost straight, so we don't have to worry about any downward angles in the venting. Okay, then right off the laundry room, we have a coat closet and powder room. Didn't actually expect that. Okay, so tiles in good condition, upgraded light fixture. Just need to replace that exhaust fan. It's definitely not a big deal at all. Okay. Paint is good as well. Oh, whoops. Okay. Is it okay if I go into the backyard? Oh, yeah. Okay, thanks.
Oh, wait, I don't grab him. Then we can have my dog come inside.
I personally don't mind?
Yeah.
Okay,
no,
okay.
Annoying.
Okay.
Okay. Come here, crazy man.
Hi, oh my god.
He's like a giant wiener dog.
He's not part corgi?
No, he's part wiener dog and Sheltie.
Oh my, it is the biggest wiener dog I've ever seen. How sweet. That was so cute. Okay. So, of course, as you can see, there's already rocks back here. We just need to do a cleanup to get rid of all of the weeds. So, of course, as you can see, the patio is already in place. The concrete's already in place, and that's very nice. And it's about 2-ish. So the sun's already on the west side. So Jenny's calling whether or not you would want a patio overhang, but as you can see, this area is nice and shaded. It's okay if I go upstairs. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay.
Yeah.
They know someone's here.
Okay, okay.
She's super nice. Stay out.
Okay.
Carrie's kind of a mess.
Oh no, you're good. Paint's in good condition everywhere. Sorry, just ignore me, sorry. Oh, sorry, okay. Okay. So we already have the blinds in place, that's great. Paint's in good condition. Nice size closet. Love that we already have the blinds in place. That saves an expense. Looks good. Just replace those 3. Okay. Okay, and then off of the master, we have an extra room. Paint's in good condition as well. Okay. And is it okay if I go in this room?
Yeah.
Knock? Okay.
Just say, yeah, she does.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm recording, so I just won't get you on camera. do you want to turn the light on?
Oh,
okay, thanks. Okay. So it's the same as the other room, and everything's in great condition. Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, then, so this bathroom is shared by 2 bedrooms, nice undermount sinks, cabinets are in good condition, tile looks great. Okay, very simple. Lots of space here. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Sorry, okay. Lofts are considered very desirable. We already have the 2.5-inch full width blinds in place. So, yep, that's the house.